What is going on, guys? Welcome to Callisto's live YouTube channel. Today we're just going to be going over a trade on gold that I took yesterday during London session, kind of pre-New York London session. But before we start, if you haven't seen the Telegram channel, I've just recently started a Telegram where I share all my trades, my analysis as I'm taking them, after I've taken them, things like that. Right, so it's just here, Callisto's live journal. There's 10 people in there. I created this last week, a few days ago, and you'll see me posting the trades when I'm taking them, right? Looking at GJ shorts on the 5 minute with closure below this level. If that will load, there we go, right? Level right there. That was GJ shorts. Looking at GJ sells here, right? Again, this was yesterday. And then of course, no, this was yesterday right here. So this was the gold buys, right? So boom. Let's have a look. So here, right? Here's where I posted it, the setup before it happened, as it was about to trigger my buy stop, right? And we can see here, looking at gold buys here on the 15 minute, looking for this 15 minute candle to make a low wick and break the previous 15 minute high. And that was the setup right there. This was the previous right here, right? So that waiting for this 15 minute candle to close, that was in 12 seconds. And then waiting for this next 15 minute candle here to create a bottom wick, tap into this level and then drive up. And that's what happened there. You can see, well, it didn't tap into that level, but it made a bottom wick and then started driving. And that's where we entered. And there here you can see, went into some nice profits, kind of like pushed up into some profits here and then pulled back, tapped into that level right there. So it did come down for a tap into that level, made a bit of a steep bottom wick and then started driving up again, right? So you can see currently up 17 pips, moving stops to break even. And then you can see price came down and hit that break even stop right there. So that was a break even trade there on gold yesterday. And then I was also looking at Euro USD sells, looking to take Euro USD sells here with a sell stop. If this 15 minute candle doesn't trigger, then I'll delete the sell stops, right? So this 15 minute candle here didn't trigger this sell stop down here. So I just deleted those sell stops. So there was a break-even trade and then a potential trade on Euro USD yesterday, but that didn't happen. So that's the Telegram channel. That will be down below. So this, yeah, like I said, this is the gold trade right here. This is the aftermath. You can see that it did indeed eventually hit the 45 pip take profit, but it would have come down and tapped that stop loss first. So this is why we move our stops to break even right here. So it come down, rejected, tapped into that level once again, and then drove up. So that was yesterday on gold. That was the only trade I took. These were the sells I was looking at on Euro USD. So you can see that it did eventually sell off, but this is the candle that I was looking for it to trigger it, but this one right here, but then it ended up closing bullish again, right? And then this candle just came down and drove down. Would have drove down 15, potentially 20, 30 pips. But you can again see this level got respected then, right? It came up and tapped into this level once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and selling off again both times, right? So key levels. This is the strategy. This is the 15 minute, well, the 1 hour 15 minute strategy. Very precise, very attention to detail kind of strategy. But once you get it, it's a killer, right? It has a very high percentage win percentage. You'll rarely see, and I don't like saying this, but obviously there is losing trades with every strategy in trading. There's losing trades, right? But with this strategy, if you have the right stop loss and you let the trade run, and you don't get scared and exiting trades when you shouldn't be, right? Having a decent stop loss and letting the trade run, most of the times you will see some kind of profit, whether that may be 10 pips, 15 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips, right? It just depends on the day, and then you need to read the market on that day to decide where you want to take your profits at, right? USD JPY as well. I was looking at potential sales here, but I was more focused on the gold sales, the GJ sales, I think. GJ, yeah, I was more focused on these GJ sales yesterday, right here. But you can see price didn't really give me an entry, right? This was the level that I wanted price to break, but I wanted a pullback candle first of all, right? I wanted a bullish pullback candle, and then I wanted a bearish candle to continue down. But that happened here, as you can see, right? Drove down, we got the bullish candle, and then you want this candle right here to start breaking the lows down here. But this left pretty strong rejection wicks from that level, so it was just messy for me, right? So, but as you can see, here's, you know, this level, broke it, came up to retest it, rejected it, and then sold off. Tapped it right here to the absolute T. You see this wick right here? Tapped into that zone. Look at that. Look at that, straight on that line. Not above it, not below it, just straight on that line right there. Tap that level to precision, and then we see that big rejection wick, and then we see price drive down for 26 pips, right? And then we can see here, comes up, tries to break above, fails to break above, we get a fake out, drives back, and then it breaks above it, retests it with 1, 2, 3 rejection wicks, and then starts driving up, right? So key levels, again, if you want to learn how I read these levels and why I mark these specific levels and candles, all you have to do is just sub to the YouTube channel. Once we get to 1,000 subs, which can happen pretty quick if everyone just subs and likes the video, comments, that will pick the video up in the algorithm, right? We'll get more people liking, seeing the video, subscribing. I will drop a full strategy video on this on my YouTube channel for free, no strings attached, because this strategy is seriously killer. It's a very good strategy. This is something that I've learned to do myself and reading the markets myself over 4 years. And when I first started out myself, I had all types of indicators on my charts, buy and sell indicators, MAs, EMAs, RSI, you know, just all kinds of indicators, right? It's not needed. All you need to do is learn how to read simple price action, right? And this is what this is: volume, momentum, price action, levels, and understanding how to read candles in real time, right? It's all good looking back at the chart over here and going, oh, this happened here and I could have entered the trade here. But reading it in real time is a whole nother skill itself, and it takes experience, it takes time, and it takes knowledge, right? It takes someone showing you the right things if you're getting into trading for the first time, showing you the right, you know, what to look at and what not to look at, when to look at it, when not to look at it, things like that, right? And that is what is key about this strategy. So yeah, that is that. So like I said, if you guys are interested in this strategy, just make sure you're liking the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. It will help boost the algorithm. We can get to 1,000 subscribers, and then I'll drop the video going in depth into this strategy. Or if you want to join the Telegram, the link will be down below where I post my trades and analysis, right? So yeah, that's that for today. Looking forward to next week. I'm pretty sure next week is we're still January next week, and then we go into Feb. So we got the beginning of the month next week, which could be tough. So we got end of the month, beginning of the month, which can be a pretty tough time to trade. So we'll see what happens there going into next week, right? But yeah, this week was pretty decent. Anything else? Oh yeah, also I will be doing some more posts about this, but I will be giving away my magic keys. This is brand new. I've hardly, you can see it's in brand new condition. I've hardly used this. So I will be giving away this as well at 1,000 subscribers. Wherever you are in the world, I'll send it to you. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. It'll help boost the algorithm. It'll help us get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube quicker. And yeah, that is that for today, and I will see you guys. I might do like a backtesting simulation session video tomorrow, just a quick one to upload. So I'll see you in that one, or I'll see you on Monday for some pre-market analysis on Monday. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.